What's up guys, I'm Rico, videographer, photographer and digital content creator. I'm coming at you from Cameras Africa, and today we'll be getting hands-on with the Canon EOS 250D, otherwise known as the SL3. The Canon EOS 250D is Canon's most compact and small-sized DSLR camera yet. It's an upgrade of the Canon EOS 250D or the SL2, which was a very popular camera for vloggers, content creators and casual shooters. On the top of the camera we have a dial for selecting the shooting modes. Next to it is an on and off toggle, which also functions as the toggle for video mode. We have the ISO and display buttons. We have a scroll wheel that allows for changing of multiple settings, the shutter release button. At the back of the camera, we have the menu and the info button, a button for switching between the viewfinder and the live view display, the exposure compensation button, a D-pad for selection of settings. We have the playback button, we have a delete button, an autofocus point selection button, and an auto exposure lock button. Upon opening the flap on the left side of the camera, you'll find a jack for the shutter remote and a jack for external microphones. Beneath the flap on the right side of the camera, you'll find a mini HDMI out port and a mini USB port. The bottom of the camera features a 1/4-inch metal tripod mount and a compartment for the battery and the SD card. The EOS 250D weighs just 449 grams, and that makes it very light and compact, which is ideal for vloggers and travel content creators. Another strong selling point of the EOS 250D is this fully articulating touchscreen. The screen allows one-man band content creators who regularly do self-shooting, such as vlogging, to be able to frame their shots and see if they are in focus. The 250D has a 24.1 CMOS APS-C sized sensor, which is paired with a Digic 8 image processor. The Digic 8 processor allows for advanced focusing features such as face and eye tracking. You also get Canon's well-famed dual pixel autofocus, both in photos and in video, if you're shooting up to full HD. Some of these features are only found in far more expensive high-end flagship cameras. The fact that those advanced features are packaged in this entry-level camera, which is very competitively priced, make it a very attractive prospect. So the 250D is capable of shooting 4K, although that comes with a massive 2.64 crop. This can however be mitigated by using a wide lens such as Canon's 10 to 18mm STM lens. Dual pixel autofocus is unfortunately not available in 4K, but you still do get contrast detect autofocus. The color rendition on this camera is very beautiful, just like on other Canon DSLRs. Video shooters will be happy to learn that the EOS 250D is capable of shooting at full HD at up to 60 frames per second, so should you want that slow motion look, it will be possible to get that with this camera. The EOS 250D also comes with a microphone jack, so that means that those who wish to record external sound will be able to do so, such as vloggers who may want to use shotgun mics or content creators who may want to use lavalier microphones in interview type situations. So the EOS 250D has very good ergonomics. The camera grip is deep enough to allow you to get a good firm grasp on the camera, and yet the body is small and compact enough as to not be cumbersome. So the camera also features Canon guided menus, which is a great resource for beginners who haven't handled DSLRs before. The highly responsive touchscreen on the EOS 250D allows you to navigate through the menus as well as to select autofocus points. The camera features the usual camera modes such as automatic, manual, shutter priority and aperture priority. There are also various filters and scene modes available to spur your creativity. For its size, the camera has very decent battery life, and it should give you about 1600 shots per charge. That's a big improvement over the SL2, which could only give you half that amount. The EOS 250D unfortunately doesn't have in-body image stabilization. This can however be mitigated by using image stabilized lens such as the kit lens that you get in the box. Video taken on the EOS 250D is sharp, has good contrast and has rich, vibrant color. When paired with prime lenses like the Canon 50mm f1.8 STM lens, you can get amazing visuals with this camera. That much sought after shallow depth of field look is possible even for beginner content creators. So who's this camera for? This is a very versatile camera, and it can serve a beginner, a casual shooter, and even a medium level content creator. 5 frames per second may not be ideal for fast wildlife or sports shooting, but it means that you may be able to capture fairly fast actions during events or action-adventure activities. The EOS 250D camera is currently available at Cameras Africa, and it comes with a versatile 18 to 55mm STM image-stabilized lens. At Cameras Africa, you get the peace of mind of knowing that you get a 2-year warranty with your purchase of the EOS 250D camera. So there you have it, guys. That was our hands-on video of the Canon EOS 250D, a very capable and compact DSLR camera that will appeal to beginners and established content creators alike. For the best deals on photography and film equipment, visit Cameras Africa near Phoenix House on Kenyatta Avenue. You can also visit them on their website at www.camerasafrica.com. Thank you very much for watching. Until the next time, remember to shoot, edit, and repeat. Bye!